How to control someone's iPhone on FaceTime in iOS 18. Ever wished you could help a friend or family member with something on their phone but weren't able to be with them in person? With a new iOS update, you can now control someone else's iPhone screen over FaceTime. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to control someone's iPhone screen on FaceTime and how to allow someone to control your iPhone if you need help. Now let's get started. Before we begin, please note that this feature should only be used with people you actually know and trust. Don't ever allow someone to take control of your iPhone over FaceTime unless you know them personally. Allowing someone you don't know to take control of your iPhone screen could result in getting scammed. Please exercise caution when using this feature. To control someone's iPhone screen over FaceTime, both users must have updated their iPhone to iOS 18. Then begin a FaceTime video call as normal. To request to see their screen, tap Share, then tap Ask to Share. The other person will need to tap Share to allow you to see their screen. Once they begin sharing their screen, tap the window showing their iPhone screen. Tap the remote control icon in the bottom right corner to request control of their screen. The person sharing their screen will need to tap Allow to give over control of their screen. Once they have allowed access, you'll be able to fully control their screen for them. When finished, you can tap the remote control icon again to stop controlling their screen. Alternatively, the person screen sharing can tap Stop on their end to revoke your control of their device. That's all it takes to control someone's iPhone screen on FaceTime in iOS 18. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as we put out great new tech tutorials like this on a regular basis.